This business model made me 800,000 naira last year. Mind you, you don't need any capital at all to start this business. Based on popular request, I'm going to be breaking down every single thing that you need to know about this particular business. So stick around to watch this video because it's going to help you if you are a broke student especially. Now let's dive into this video. Now, what is this business about? This business model is about you helping aspirant students that wants to get admission into your school. Go to Facebook now, you're going to see different school aspirants group. That is where you're going to begin. If you don't have a Facebook account, you need to create one. Now you are going to be creating a Facebook group. Let me take you to Facebook and let me show you something real quick. You can see different aspirants group. That is what I am talking about. That is the second group that you are going to be opening. So let me know in the comment section which particular school did you attend, which part of Nigeria are you watching from. If you're not watching from Nigeria, let me know the country you're watching from so I can make a video that is going to benefit you too. Now let's continue. After creating your Facebook group, all you need to do is to keep updating that group. Probably now you're going to be asking, what exactly am I going to be posting on that particular group? You are going to be updating that group on what is going on in your school with JAMB updates, your school updates, because that is two things that you're going to be focusing on. JAMB is done with their examination now. You are always going to be updating them, maybe your school cutoff mark, courses available, and all of that. So how do you get information? First is by following JAMB on X. The second thing is to follow a famous or a popular campus blogger in your school. You get follow that person. That is the business you are about to start. So follow that person that is already in that business so you can get latest information as well. Now, the second app you are going to be needing is your WhatsApp app. Your WhatsApp app, you're going to be gathering audience from your Facebook group to that WhatsApp. That is where you are going to be monetizing them. Make sure that you are posting consistent so that you are going to get member, because if you don't have member in your group, no one is going to patronize you. Okay, so this is the right time for you to actually accumulate member to actually monetize. Now you already create a Facebook group, and you also can also go to other people's Facebook group and post there for people to join your group. Post on your WhatsApp status. Let people help you repost your WhatsApp link to get more aspirant members. My group for this year. And last year I told some people to actually join my last year group to learn one or two from the group so they can know how they can actually coordinate their own group for this year. Now it's already this year and I'm very sure that they are going to be creating their group. I'm really happy and excited that at least people are actually making use of my information to actually make money for themselves. After creating your WhatsApp group profile is going to be your school, and then the details, just put a summary, something like this in your description box. You get my point. Now do not post inauthentic information. Always verify your information. Legit source. Always have one legit source that you can always look up to before you post information on your group. X is number one from JAMB itself, and second is your famous campus what's it called, campus blogger that you can actually, a lot of people actually rely on to get latest information about their school. First question now is probably, what am I going to do to actually make money from my members? So these are the list of services you're going to be rendering. You can screenshot them. If you don't know how to do it, search on Google how to do this thing. It's basically on Google. You learn how to do it before it is time for you to render that particular service. One important thing, make sure that you are always updating your Facebook group, because all these aspirants, they are always going to Facebook to check if there's any group for them to join, and they are going to join from Facebook to WhatsApp, so you guys can actually get to know each other, relate with each other. You relate to them and they realize that this is someone that they can actually walk up to, chat freely and DM freely. They will be able to come to you for any service they want you to render for them. You get my point? So that is basically what you're going to do. And business number two in this particular business model is hostel. I don't know how your school area is, but if your school area is a particular area where students actually rent hostel outside, you can become an hostel agent. I'm serious. This is not even part of 800,000 that I make. 800,000 was just from aspirant group. And mind you, you're going to make money. Like, it can be very stressful. If you don't have the strength, do not do it. I will advise you, because this is my own fourth year in the business, and I can assure you that It is kind of stressful, but you just need to know your person. Most importantly, you need to work with someone that you believe is a loyal person. Honesty, transparency, accountability. Yeah, that is most important thing. All the information basically you need to start. Bye.